Swadikap. My name is Kit from Bangkok lawyer. I am a Thai lawyer. So today I have something that I would like to sharing with you guys, about the criminal case here in Thailand. As you guys know that, when somebody committing a crime here in Thailand, apart from, when you found guilty or you pleading guilty, if you don't get lucky, you end up in prison, you being, in jail. That could happen to anyone, right? Even to the Thai national or even the foreigners who coming here and committing a crime here in Thailand, you could end up in jail, right? But what about in some case that the court suspended your jail sentence and also order you to pay the fine payment, like maybe 20,000 baht, 500,000 baht, 1 million baht. That depends on what kind of offense that you commit here in Thailand, all right? I have one of my clients from the European countries. I wouldn't want to say where they're coming from. They committing they have been arrested for trying to exporting the cannabis out of Thailand, and then he got arrested. They got arrested at the airport, right? And then they are pleading guilty, and the court give them a suspended jail sentence and also order them to pay the fine like about 1 million baht or something. And then, of course, when you pleading guilty and the court suspended your jail sentence, that means you're not going to jail. However, the court also order you to pay the fine around 1 million baht. And they don't have 1 million baht to pay the fine to the court. And then what's going to happen to them, right? That's an interesting question. If you don't have the money to pay the fine according to the court order, then you're going to have to be detained in Thai prison. At least minimum 1 year, but not over that 2 years. That's the law here, alright? Just remember that, if you come into Thailand and then, if you commit a crime and then you get a jail you get your jail has been suspended. However, also the court order you to pay the fine, but you don't have the money, or you don't have enough money to cover for the fine, then you're gonna have to be detained in jail, or you're gonna have to be in prison for minimum 1 year, but not over that 2 years. So right now, my client who doesn't have enough money to pay for the fine. Right now they are in jail for at least minimum 1 year, for not be able to pay the fine according to the court order. So what can we do, right? I'm a lawyer. I'm representing them, but I cannot pay the fine on my behalf because of 1 million fine payment, So that's why I just warning you guys that sometimes even you get your jail time suspended, but if the court order you to pay the fine payment, you're gonna have to be ready to have enough money, or inform your family member in overseas to have enough money to cover for the fine as well. All right. So today I hope you guys can get some knowledge about the fine payment here in Thailand. And then hopefully you guys just avoid the jail here, alright? Just stay healthy and stay out of jail, alright? Okay guys, hope to see you guys next time. Thank you and ขอบคุณครับ